Welcome to this week's episode of Industrial Transformation World News, bringing to you the latest news and technologies shaping the global digital manufacturing industry. In this week's edition, we start with news that leading industry advisory firm Gartner have just published a survey that shows 57% of manufacturing leaders feel their organization lacks skilled workers to support smart manufacturing digitalization plans. The 2020 Gartner Smart Manufacturing Strategy and Implementation Trends Survey was conducted online between October and December 2020, and over 400 respondents were interviewed across North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. In their report, Gartner says that smart manufacturing needs technology and people and a long-term strategy necessary to develop the connected factory worker. Gartner also says that just introducing new technologies is not enough, and that factory workers must evolve alongside the technology and be on board with changes from the start. German automotive manufacturer Audi has announced the establishment of a world-leading competence network for digital factory transformation and innovation, called Automotive Initiative 2025. The Audi site in Neckarsulm, Germany, will assume a central role as a pilot factory and real-world laboratory for digital transformation. Audi will be working with the Technical University of Munich and the Fraunhofer Institute for Industrial Engineering, as well as technology partners including Amazon Web Services and SAP, with Capgemini providing consultancy advice. Audi board member for production Peter Kusler says that together with our Automotive Initiative 2025 partners, we will develop the Neckarsulm site into a leading factory for digital production and logistics within the group. Global System Integration and Cybersecurity experts NTT have released their 2021 Global Threat Intelligence Report, which reveals how hackers are taking advantage of remote working by targeting essential industries, prominently pharmaceutical, finance, and manufacturing. The report says that while the pharma industry has borne the most attacks, the manufacturing industry has seen the highest spike in attacks with a 300% increase over the last year. NTT's Cybersecurity Advisory applies a maturity score to an industry security program, with a higher number indicating a more mature plan of action. Rather worryingly, manufacturing has a relatively low maturity and has experienced a 3-year decline in scores, most likely due to changes in the operating environment and the evolution of attacks. An NTT spokesperson said, "As services continue to move online and become increasingly digital to account for the new normal, organizations must be extra vigilant in upholding and maintaining best practices in their security." Following on from NTT's survey, it's important to highlight that cybersecurity is a fundamental of a secure smart factory. Therefore, this week we feature some of the technologies and companies that can help protect your data and network and make your production more secure. We start with Finnish company Tosibox, who provide fast and easy remote access to your machines and devices. Tosibox say that it takes less than 5 minutes to deploy their product that connects to any network without a need to open any firewall access. It's fast, cost-effective, and easily scaled. Their Tosibox operational technology networking solution is globally audited, patented, and performs at the highest security levels in the industry. The technology is based on two-factor authentication, automatic security updates, and the latest encryption technology. Tosibox enables secure remote access and maintenance to industrial automation and is compatible with all industrial automation brands and providers in the market. Trend Micro has a comprehensive range of security solutions, covering compliance, ransomware, and detection and response. Their complete cybersecurity solution for smart factories leverages information and operational technology security to protect industrial endpoints, networks, servers, and cloud workloads. Extended detection and response capabilities provides a single-view console for precise alert detection and automatic response. Trend Micro minimalize cyber risk through 3 key steps: prevention, detection, and resilience, and has a manufacturing client list including Baker Hughes, Panasonic, and Mazda. DarkTrace are world leaders in autonomous cyber artificial intelligence. Their DarkTrace immune system is promoted as the world's leading autonomous cyber defense platform. Its award-winning cyber AI protects workforces and data from sophisticated attackers by detecting, investigating, and responding to cyber threats in real time. DarkTrace's self-learning technology is uniquely capable of learning a pattern of life across both corporate IT networks and operational technologies, enabling it to detect anomalous activity in real time. DarkTrace also provides total network visibility, aiding the investigative ability of security teams and providing boardroom executives with greater business oversight. Last week, DarkTrace announced a partnership with Microsoft that extends autonomous cyber defense across the cloud. Employees logging onto computers and networks create a major security risk. UK-based Swivel Secure offers a true multi-factor authentication, which gives employees simple access to company resources through single sign-on and risk-based adaptive authentication, varying the logging experience according to the risk presented by the user. Swivel Secure is also unique in its ability to provide patented deviceless multi-factor authentication using PIN-based image authenticators such as PinPad and PicPad. Deviceless authentication is highly effective in restricted industrial environments such as factory floors or oil rigs, where smartphone devices are not permitted for safety or security reasons. Their Auth Control Sentry is deployed in over 54 countries. It delivers an intelligent solution to prevent unauthorized access to applications and data, and has the flexibility to support a range of architectural requirements whether they be on-premise or in the cloud. And we finish our roundup with a look at Hack the Box. Formed in the UK in 2017, Hack the Box is a massive online cybersecurity training platform with a community of over 550,000 members. It allows individuals, companies, universities, and all kinds of organizations around the world to level up their hacking skills using captivating, gamified hands-on training. If you're a manufacturer looking to sharpen up your workforce on defensive strategies, then check out how Hack the Box is redefining corporate cybersecurity training. The best defense is to learn how to think like an attacker and know how to prevent them. Over 700 companies around the world are utilizing their hands-on training platform to keep their IT and cybersecurity teams engaged and attack-ready. We hope you've enjoyed this week's episode, and if you like what we do, please subscribe. If you have anything to share, please get in touch and email us at info@industrialtransformationworld.com. We'll see you next week.